My Trane TCONT800 thermostat lost its backlight when it is plugged into the base. I took it off the wall and replaced the batteries, and the backlight will work fine until I plug back into the base. All the functions seem to be working, and I even went into the backlight setting mode and selected the option for non-continuous.
Hello, 1 minute while I get some information together. So the backlight does not work at all?
The backlight works when it is sitting on the counter or on my lap. It does not work when it is plugged into the base on the wall.
This sounds like a grounding issue. What wiring do you have connected to it?
When I checked the wiring, it looks like it matched the diagram. The backlight was working up until a week ago. Since I am not at home right now, I'll take a photo and send it in a few hours.
Okay, cool.
Hello, attached is a picture showing the thermostat base. All the connections seem tight.
Do you have batteries in it?
It has fresh batteries. That's probably why the backlight works when it is unplugged from the wall.
Okay, remove the batteries and connect it to the wall and see what happens. You have wiring that you should not need batteries in it.
Okay, I removed the batteries and plugged it back in. It looks like all the functions are working except the backlight.
Okay, and the setting for backlight is on continuous, correct? If so, I would say there is an issue internally with the thermostat. Nothing else would cause that. You may want to see if you can get it exchanged under warranty. That will also allow you to come back to me right here anytime for as many free follow-up questions you have.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.